Hello, folks. This is David Prang from Valley WorkSafe. I do health and safety training. So today's topic, we're going to talk about some very common forklifts that we find in the local area. Talk about internal combustion cushion tire forklifts, internal combustion pneumatic tire forklifts. Basically, cushion tire, they're the ones that drive on the concrete slab or the hard floor. Pneumatic tire, air filled, and some of the newer ones are foam filled, and they're for outside. Could be inside, but mainly outside. And then very common one now, the rough terrain forklift, or people call it a telehandler. Those are the ones that I basically see the most on our sites and most of the training I do. So internal combustion, cushion tire, internal combustion, pneumatic tire, basically they're the same vehicle, just designed for maybe inside or versus outside. Internal combustion, what does that mean? They run off propane, gas, or diesel. Um, those are the two main kind or three kinds there. You can also have electric powered ones. They're in a slightly different category, but they still do the same thing. Rough terrain, fuel types can be gas, diesel. I have not seen a propane fired one. Could be one out there for that. Now, if you're getting into the training, it's not for most of these, the counterbalance ones with the internal combustion engine, it's pretty much the same training. It's just the fuel source and whether you're inside or outside. That's kind of the specific of the training. If you're getting into rough terrain forklifts or the telehandler, it's a totally different beast. Even though we call it technically a forklift or a lift truck, it actually combines not just the forklift capability, but it has a boom that extends up and down like a crane. It can also have outriggers on the front to increase the stability and lifting capacity at quite a range. So it gets a bit more complicated. And like I said, it's kind of a crossover between a forklift and a crane. So it requires a bit more practice. So if you've never operated one, you've just operated a forklift, telehandler is a little bit different beast. So why would you want to know this? Well, first off, for purchasing, you need to make sure you have the right piece of equipment for the job you want to do. Second thing is for training. They're not all the same. So making sure you train your employees to operate the equipment correctly and safely. So if you're looking for more information about training or about equipment selection, David Prang from Valley WorkSafe. You can reach out to me at david@valleyworksafe.ca or check out my website, valleyworksafe.ca, and you can find out what trainings we offer and other ideas that may be of interest to you.